Gmail verification code not received. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. Thank you. Now let's head to the video. First you open Chrome and you search is Gmail down. So here you will get an update. Here there is a down detector website too. Sometimes the server can be down and maybe that's why you are not receiving the verification code. But if that's not the case, the server is not down, you have to go back. You have to click on settings. Once you click on settings, you have to scroll down and click on apps, and then you have to click on app management and you have to search messages. Once you click on messages, here there will be permissions. You should allow camera, contacts, microphone, phone, SMS, storage, location too. You should allow, and then you have to click on manage notification. Here you have to activate everything. Once everything is activated, you will be receiving the verification code. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.